Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're making another 2-peg rubber band bracelet, this time around paracord. If you're trying to make the 2-peg rubber band and hairband bracelet, but it was too tight or too loose, this is the one for you. We're going to use rubber bands, paracord, our easy bracelet maker, scissors, a candle, lighter, and a hook. I have cut off 4 pegs off our easy bracelet maker. It's for illustrative purposes. You don't have to. I use an easy bracelet maker because it's cheap and convenient, and I highly recommend it. But if you go back to the most basic rubber band bracelet video, you see what else you can use for a 2-peg bracelet, or you can be creative yourself. First, you take your paracord. And you're going to measure around your wrist twice, like so. And then you want like another, let's say 4 inches on each side, so like 8 inches more. The more the better. And we're going to knot the ends. I like to loop it twice before I pull it through. Make like a double loop like that. So let's cut about there. Trim a little bit, and we're going to cinch the edges. If you need an adult to help you with this, please do. Now you're going to wait about 5 minutes before you work on this again. We'll let it cool down a bit. We need to create a stopgap at the beginning of the bracelet. And you can be creative and go to Tying It All Together YouTube channel and use all kinds of knots from there, or you can just do a plain knot. I say you because I'm not. I'm just going to use a rubber band. Start by making the loop about the size to accept a pair of knotted paracord ends. You don't have to be real precise, because what's going to happen is this is going to have some give because it's just rubber band. Then go to the other side. What we're going to do is put it around your wrist, like so. See, well, first let's make sure we got the middle. Put it around your wrist, and you're going to want to put a rubber band about right there. This will also keep your core from flip-flopping all over the place. Doesn't have to be particularly tight. So now you're going to notice that if you this can just be a rubber band bracelet all by itself. See? You just put it through the knot, and you got yourself a bracelet. Okay, so we're going to take a rubber band and put it past the beginning right here. Then get our easy bracelet maker, put a rubber band across it, make a little twist like so, and push your loop right through. You want to push it all the way past that rubber band there. Now, want to twist there, Make sure the twist stays there. And twist here. Take your hook, adjust it a little, and then once you've adjusted it, pull that through. And you started your first loop on there. So now I'm going to put in a few rubber bands. They're a little unruly. However you want, or you can do it one at a time if that's what you prefer. So I'm bringing one down. Pull this down. Loop it, and I like to loop it back. Up and over. Up and over. And you just keep on doing that. Don't worry about adjusting now. You can do that later, or you can just let it do it by itself and say it's rustic. And the good thing about this, since we got our loop in the bottom, very quickly we can start using this to pull this set of loops down, so that we can adjust, so there isn't a close gap here. It makes it harder to loop over. So you just keep on going, keep on going. Bring one more down. And I'm going to keep on going. So there, we've got to this rubber band already. So that means we're at the end. Let's put one final one in there. Hook it over. Now we're going to take this one. Probably want to keep it on the hook because or at least I do, because I'm not very graceful, and push both your knots in here. So that'll make it on the other end, and that keeps it secure. Then you do the same thing to the other. And that takes it out there. Push your loop through there too. And then if you want, you can make a knot here for that, but you don't have to. So there you go. Ta-da! You've got a bracelet. As always, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like it. Why not subscribe? Click on the bell. Bye-bye. Till the next one.